Hello, in this video we will be discussing Group 1, the alkali metals. In previous videos we explained Group 0, the noble gases, and now we will move to Group 1, the alkali metals. If we look at the periodic table, the alkali metal is the first column in the periodic table. And we will learn about the elements that belong to this group and their uses. So let's start with Group 1, the alkali metals. In the periodic table, a group is a vertical column, and the first column in the periodic table is group number 1, which is also called alkali metals. This group contains the familiar reactive metals, sodium and potassium, as well as some less common ones. So this group contains sodium Na and potassium K, which you previously know, and they are common in reactions. It also has lithium and 3 other elements. Francium, Fr, which is the last element in group number 1, the alkali metals, is a radioactive element. So these are the alkali metals, and in the next video we'll talk about their physical properties.